Hello, I am going to show you how to do the using a bar model on slide 11. So you're going to show kind of a graphical representation of what's happening to the mass inside the egg as it's developing into a chicken. So we have day 0, day 7, day 14, and then day 21, which is typically the time that a chick will hatch. On day 0, what we would see inside of an egg is mostly egg white, some egg yolk, the shell, and other. So other could be something like water, and we just call that other. On day 7, as we see in our progression sheet, a chick starting to grow. So I'm going to put this in the Google Classroom assignment. You could pull this up as reference to see how much of the chicken is in the egg versus how much of egg yolk, egg white, shell, and other are left over. So on day 7, you're going to decide, just looking at that picture, how big do you want to make the chick? So these text boxes, you can change their sizes. So you would just click on them and decide how big is the chick at this time for day 7? Is it this size? Is it smaller? Is it bigger? Is it going to be the same size on day 14 or day 21? Or will there'll be a change in size for the chick on each of these days? So you need to decide that and then change the length of the text box to show your thinking. At the same time, if you remember from chemical reactions, we cannot make something new from something that wasn't there before. So as we have a chick developing inside the egg, then the mass of the stuff that's already in the egg has to change as well. So we are not adding the chick onto the end, because that is not how this works. Some of this is going to change as our chick grows. So what you'll do is decide which parts of the inside of the egg are going to change. So you can change these text boxes. Is it the egg white? Does that decrease as the chick grows? Is it the egg yolk? Does the egg yolk decrease as the chick grows? Is it the shell? Does the shell change in its volume and its mass as it grows? Or is it other, or is it a combination of some of these? So if I decided the chick is this size, maybe I'll make it a little smaller. And I decide that if I'm making the chick smaller, so the egg white from day 0 to day 7 isn't going to be the same. The egg yolk from day 0 to day 7 may not be the same. So I think there might be a decrease in the egg white and the egg yolk from day 0 to day 7 because I have a chick developing. So I would decrease this, maybe I would decrease this, and I would place the chick here. Maybe the chick is a little bit smaller on day 7 and we still have quite a bit of egg white and egg yolk. Maybe the chick's a lot bigger. You decide your progression on how you want to show the chick growing and then the other ingredients changing as well. So on day 14, I'm going to look back at my worksheet and I can see, well, I see that the chick is a little bit bigger than on day 7. So I better show that in my progression here. So I will change the size of this. I will then change the size of some of these other things. And then on day 21. So you decide your progression. How is the chick changing in its mass? How are the other ingredients changing in their mass to account for the growing chick? So that's how you do slide 11. Let me know if you have any questions.